Honda's latest evolution of its flagship touring bike shows a huge range of improvements, making the 2018 Goldwing lighter, more compact, and more technologically advanced. Through the integration of the all-new double wishbone front suspension, 7-speed DCT transmission, Apple CarPlay, and many more features, Honda has brought the Goldwing into the modern era and then some. I was lucky enough to be one of 4 riders to throw a leg over the new 2018 Goldwing and Goldwing Tour last week in Japan, but if you don't want to read my touring-sized review, here are the fast facts you need to know right now. Design improved aerodynamic efficiency by 11.8% to complement improved power-to-weight ratio and extend fuel mileage. Compact side mount radiator with higher performance allows for narrower front cowl. New air guiding ducts flow optimal amounts of air into the seat space, allowing a true motorcycling experience. Electric windscreen, in varying heights depending on model, gives rider control over airflow through stepless adjustment for height and angle. LED headlight provides new wing line LED turn signals with auto-canceling function are integrated into mirrors at the front and into the taillights at the rear. 2-piece seat is shaped in a way that allows the rider to easily move around in the saddle during spirited riding, and for passenger to tour in comfort. Engine drivetrain, all new 1833cc, liquid-cooled, horizontally opposed 6-cylinder engine offers low center of gravity, minimal vibration, and quiet running. New SCM 440H material for the crankshaft is stronger, allowing the crankshaft to be made more compact. Unicam valve train offers weight savings and improved fuel efficiency, while also contributing to engine's more compact dimensions. 4 valve per cylinder head improves combustion efficiency. Aluminum cylinder sleeves for reduced weight. 29 mm shorter engine from front to rear of left cylinder head enables engine and rider position to be moved forward in the chassis to put more weight on the front, promoting sporty handling. Single 50 mm throttle body for reduced weight intake. Manifold volume reduced by 10% for more direct flow of air to combustion chamber for improved responsiveness. Enhanced exhaust sound achieved through reduction in pipe diameter on 2 of the 6 cylinders and removal of fiberglass in muffler. Fuel economy improved by 20%, enabling fuel tank to be made smaller for better vehicle packaging and reduced weight. Manual transmission equipped engine is 13.7 pounds lighter than previous generation engine. DCT equipped engine is 8.4 pounds lighter than previous generation manual transmission engine. DCT features walking mode for creeping forward and backward, 0.75 miles